Before heading into exercises, let me give you a brief idea on how the exercises, coding exercises work in this course. And this is the same way it works for the rest of the course. So it's good to have an idea on how to work with the coding exercises. So at the end of this video, on clicking the continue button, you will be automatically taken to the coding exercises section. The coding exercises section, as you can see, consists of 3 different parts. The area at the top here is where your question is. This is where you are given instructions on your task. On the left side here, you can see 2 different files. You will always see 2 or more files here. The first and the default file is called exercise.rb. This file is never used, so you can see a temporary banner put here. We never actually use this file. As if you look at the note here, you can see that this file is not used. Do not type in your solution in this file, and you must always use the adjacent .yaml or .txt file. So we will be working with 2 types of files. One is the .txt file for which we will use for inventory, Ansible inventory files. The other is the .yaml file, which is what we will be working with most of the time, and that is the Ansible playbook files. So never write anything into the exercise.rb. Switch over to the food.yaml file in this case, and if you look at the instructions, you can see that the instruction is to update food.yaml file to add a vegetable carrot. So there are currently 3 types already. So create a new entry here called vegetable and enter the name of the vegetable, in this case carrot. Now if you look at the bottom right corner, you will see there are 2 buttons. Click on the check solution button and it will check for your answer, and you must ensure that your answer is right. In this case I got an error because I typed in the spelling for vegetable wrong, so I'm going to correct that. Click on it again and you should see that your solution is correct. So you can then click on the continue button to go over to the second exercise. So this way you can go over all exercises until they're complete. And if you have any questions about any of these exercises, or if you find any issues with any of these exercises, feel free to reach out to me. Click on the browse Q&A button and then click on the ask a new question button to ask a new question, and I will make sure to reply to it as soon as possible. So go through the exercises, let me know what you think. So good luck.